Hey there! Are you searching for ERP software? Today I'm going to introduce a real-time desktop ERP application. ELBS Enterprise Resource Planning Software. Login window of ELBS ERP. In Accounting section of General Ledger, it has Maintain Chart of Account, GL Payment Vouchers, GL Official Receipt, Journal Entry, Bank Reconciliation, Account Receivable Deposit, Account Payable Deposit. In Customer module, Maintain Customer, Customer Deposit, Customer Invoice, Customer Payment, Customer Debit Note, Customer Credit Note. In Supplier module, Maintain Supplier, Supplier Deposit, Supplier Invoice, Supplier Payment, Supplier Debit Note, Supplier Credit Note. Sales module, Sales Quotation, Sales Order, Delivery Order, Sales Invoice, Cash Sales, Sales Debit Note, Sales Return. Purchase module, Purchase Request, Purchase Order, Goods Received, Purchase Invoice, Cash Purchase, Purchase Debit Note, Purchase Return. Production module, Product Planning, Product Assembling, Product Assembling. Stock module, Stock Department, Maintain stock items, Stock Transfer, Stock Received, Stock Issue, Stock Adjustment. Human Resource Management, Maintain employee information, Maintain employee salary period, employee allowances and deductions, Maintain advanced salary, Generate salary. Document Management System, Intercompany Uploading, Client Transmission Setup, Client Transmissions, Client Portal for Document Transmission. The client can upload multiple type of documents. Fleet Management System, Container Setup, Vehicle Type Setup, Road Map Setup, Financial Implication, Trip Management, Vehicle Setup, Vehicle Maintenance. For demo, contact us www.lirazone.com.my or email us sales@lirazone.com.my or WhatsApp us +60149936302.